Welcome back. Today I am super excited to unbox these two packages. I believe they might have a sous vide in here for me. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, what is this? It's the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. For the sous vide, you need a vacuum sealer. So I can't wait to use it. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro takes vacuum sealing up a notch. Expect high power, a reliable double seal, built-in bag storage, and the ability to seal dry and moist foods worry-free. So this includes the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro and a vacuum sealer roll and the hose attachments for vacuum sealer ready containers. So I guess I can get containers later too. So that's very exciting. Has the instruction manual with how to make everything work. Upside down. There it is. This is it. Swanky. It's pretty. Oh my goodness. And there's the bags inside. I'm sure this is put in for packing purposes. And it's taped down. I can't wait to use it. In the box, there's also the cord, the actual air cord for the vacuum sealer. So in this package, I'm hoping is my new Anova, my sous vide cooker. I have a prime rib that I can't wait to use with this sous vide. It's like Christmas. Anova vacuum sealer rolls. So here's the bags for the vacuum sealer. Christmas in July. Ooh. And I've got a book. It's a beautiful cookbook that will show me how to do sous vide cooking at home by Lisa Q. Fetterman. Feels nice, and I love books too, so especially ones about food or gardening. Right up my alley. Let's see. Ooh. Ta-da! It says, welcome to the Anova Food Nerd community. Anova Food Nerd community. I didn't know there was a food nerd community, but I am definitely going to join the Anova Food Nerd community. Wow. So they have an Instagram and a Facebook and Twitter even. Yep. Definitely joining it. So can't wait to take this one out. The box says on his side, it's easy to cook like a pro. You attach it to your own pot and then you add your food in a sealed bag, and you don't necessarily have to have a vacuum sealer, but it makes things a lot easier. Then you cook with the controls, and it has an app that will help you cook your food. And I'm all about smart ovens, smart apps, things like that. It's wonderful. So, and like I said, I have a prime rib I cannot wait to make. Yum. And let me see what it says on this side. It says, works well with any pot, adjustable and detachable. Clamp allows for perfect fit on just about any pot. Connect and cook, enable your Wi-Fi monitor to create and share your recipes with the Anova Culinary App. So you can create and share recipes. Oh, wow, I'm speechless. Get cooking quickly. Who has time to wait? Heat up your water fast with 1,000 watts of power. Ooh. And it has perfect results. Consistently circulates the water at a precise temperature to cook your food exactly how you like it. So with a sous vide, for instance, the prime rib, to make it medium rare is at 135 degrees. So this thing will keep the water warm around your food to just 135. So this way you cannot overcook your meat and make it well done, which is, you don't want well done prime rib. I mean, I'm sure there's people out there who eat it well done, but yeah, this will keep your meat perfect for whatever your tastes are. It's small and compact. It's small enough to fit in your kitchen drawer for quick and easy storage. So yeah, I love the fact that it's small and everything. Because like, who has space in their kitchen? Oh, I need the darn. I'm so excited. I don't know where the scissors are. What do I do with the scissors? Whoop. Ooh, look at that. Has a little instruction manual. And that's all there is to it. Basically has a screw that you attach it to the pot and screw it in. Turn it on and start using it. I am beyond excited to start using this. So be looking forward to making some videos about cooking with my Anova. They're calling it a precision cooker. It's a sous vide. Anyway, I'm super excited and I can't wait to share it with you. Bye.